Next, what is the number in the go box? Now this is a go box. This go divided by 16 multiplied by 15 equals to 6345. This you can also consider it as x, capital X. Here, this divided by can also be written as this way, down. So, go upon 16 multiplied by 15. Why this is common to both? Because it is multiply over here. If this would have been plus, then we would have applied the BODMAS rule. Bracket open, then divide, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So then this 16 would not have been common to this 15 also. But now this is multiply, so it is common to both. So go multiplied by 15 upon 16 equals to 6345, it's given. Now we have to find out go. So how do we find out go now? Take all the things other than this word what is required to other side of equals to. When you take other side of equals to, what happens is whatever is above this numerator goes below, and whatever is below this numerator goes above. Means divide becomes multiply, multiply becomes divide. So it becomes go equals to 6345 into 16 upon 15. Now we have to cancel these two as far as possible. Now how do we cancel? For this the best way is to learn the tables. 15 1s are 15 and go for 15 4s are 60, then 15 2s are 30, then 15 3s are. But if you don't know, then the other way is 5 3s are 15 and 5 divide this 6345 upon 5. 5 1s are 5, then 1 remains, 5 2s are 10, 3 remains, 5 6 are 30, 4 remains, 5 9s are 45. Again this can be divided by 3. Again this becomes 3 1s are 3 and 3 4 423s are 1 to 16. So it becomes 423 into 16. Then again you multiply these two. If you don't know 16's table, then do it this way. But I would again suggest learn tables up to 20 by heart. So the answer is A. Download YogaGuru app. Thanks.